Hi everyone, Jamie Madison here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I did a small haul, as you can see in the description box. I just got a couple little crafty things and some stamps, and I just wanted to share it with you. Most of the stuff is going to be Christmas inspired, so these are going to be for my Christmas cards that I send out to my friends and my family. So to get started, I headed over to Michael's, and I picked up some Christmas washi tape. They have an amazing sale going on right now through the holidays, and this cute little washi tape, I just could not wait. It has little ornaments. It says Holly Days, like holidays, but days. Little Christmas presents, some sparkly, some stripes, and some Christmas trees. It's a little washi tape that I got. Moving on, I picked up a new acrylic block set. My acrylic block is getting quite used. As you can see, it has been through the ringer. You can even see some like texture on it. It's just been, I can't get it off either. I have taken it, I have scrubbed it. It is adhered. So I needed some new acrylic blocks. I still use this one for when I do my watercoloring because it's just an easy like little palette. Basically, I scribble on my Arteza markers and I use it for my water brushing. So I needed some new acrylic blocks. So I went ahead and picked up this 4-piece set. It comes with a little tiny one, smaller one, a medium one, and then a long one. Great for sentiments as well. So I got that little acrylic block from Recollections at Michael's. Moving off of Michael's, going into Simon Says Stamp, I picked up some crafty dies. So these dies I picked up are these snowflake dies. So this beautiful snowflake here, I should have die cutted these out. I haven't used these yet. This little snowflake here is called the Rena Snowflake. Whoops, I'm going out of camera. The Rena Snowflake. Then I picked up this cute little guy here. He's even smaller, and this is the Mary Ann Snowflake. I was feeling snowflakes, guys. I was really in the snowflake mood. I got this snowflake here, and this one is the Kate Snowflake. And then I got even the smaller one. Look how small it is. It's so cute. And I got this one. It is the Caden Snowflake. So I got those 4 snowflakes. These are all from Simon Says Stamp. I then moved on, which you've already seen a peek of these with my last cards. I use these for the sentiments. So these are the W+9. These are the Merriest Wishes snowflakes. So you have this beautiful snowflake stamp. It's like a circle stamp with a couple little sentiments, Merriest Wishes, Warm Winter Wishes, and From Our Home to Yours, and a little star. So this is the Merriest Snowflake stamp set. I also picked up some extra sentiments, which is All the Cheer. And this is the one that you probably have seen also on my latest cards. For a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, sending all the cheer, wishes, sending wishes, Christmas and warm winter with a couple little presents. So this is all the cheer. As you can see, I have used it, but I wanted to share it with you guys because these are some great sentiment stamp sets here, and they are brand new to me. Moving on with W+9, I have not had a chance to use these either. Those are the only ones I've had a chance to use was these 2 here. The rest that is in this pile I have not been able to use yet. This is the Knit Patterns. This is just so pretty. I could see this as borders, or you could do your whole card in the background with these. So many of ideas I have coming with this stamp set here. I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. Moving on to Simon Says Stamps sentiments here. This is Christmas Wishes. This is going to be perfect to go inside my cards or on the top of them. Christmas, wishing love and joy this holiday season. Wishing you health and happiness this season and the year to come. It's not what's under the tree that matters, it's who is gathered around it. Wishing you all the hope, wonder, and joy that the season can bring. May peace be in your hearts and home this Christmas. And then a little sentiment tree. Joy, love, peace, believe, Christmas. And then it also comes with these cute little from and to, which is great if you want to do your own tags. So that was the Christmas Wishes by Simon Says Stamp. Now moving on, I got Concord and 9th. This is a background stamp set. This is the stitched stripe background. I thought this would be really great to do almost like red, white, not red, white, and blue. Oh my goodness, we are not in 4th of July. Red and green stripes. So you could do your own, almost like Christmas paper background if you wanted to. So I thought that was a very cute stamp, and I wanted to add that to my collection. So that is Concord and Ninth Stitch Stripe Background Stamp Set. I also picked up from Honeybee. This is the Honey Cuts Merry Christmas. This is the die and the stamp set. Like I said, I needed some stuff for Christmas. This is my first year doing my Christmas cards, so I needed to be able to stamp as many Christmas cards as I need. So I got this cute little Merry Happy Christmas Holidays from our family to yours, and the coordinating honey cut dies. So not only does it cut out the Christmas if you just want Christmas by itself, but it also cuts out the bubble for it. And then you also have it for all the other ones along with the from our family to yours little banner. So yes, it comes with everything, including the holly berries and the holly leaves. So such a cute little stamp set and die set that I got here from Honeybee Stamps. This is Merry Christmas. Alrighty, moving on to another Simon Says stamp. This is a background stamp set. This is the outline snowflakes. Like I said, I was really feeling the snowflakes this year. So this is the outline snowflakes by Simon Says Stamp. So super excited. I want to do some heat embossing and some watercoloring backgrounds with this. I can't wait to get my hands going on the stamp here. I'm super excited to be able to use that on my Christmas cards. Now finishing up here with my little haul, I did get a paper pad as well. This is Let It Snow, and I tell you what, Carta Bella really knocked it out of the park with this paper pad. This paper pad is just gorgeous. I want to show you some of the papers in here. So we have cute little Mintons. We have snowflakes. Like I said, I've been really in the snowflake pattern mood. We also have these little sentiments that you could cut out and put on the front of your cards. Like I did a couple cards ago on my Instagram, I used just a paper pad and did about 6 cards just using a paper pad only. So this is another little idea that you can do. You also have some checkered backgrounds. Wood grain snowflakes. I mean, who would have thought of that? But it's just absolutely gorgeous. This is perfect for a man's card. If you want to send a card for a man for Christmas and maybe not for his, significant other or anything like that, it's just a single guy, this would be great to send to him because it is a man's kind of background along with the red striped or the red plaid. Also have some blue plaid going on here. Some deep red. We have some Christmas trees. We have some blue, almost like snowflakes or raindrops in the background. I would think snowflakes. We have some little pine cones and pine needles. Some brown plaid. Like I said, this is such a neutral gender card paper pad for cards. You could do this paper pad for anybody, so it would be great for guys or girls. More snowflakes. Like I said, I've been loving the snowflakes. This one is just absolutely so cute. These are little bears and wolves and, oh my goodness, mooses. Some little birds as well and little sleigh hats and all that in that mixture there if you can see. Then we have some little spruces. Moving on to a dark blue wood grain snowflakes on the blue background. So it's a little opposite on this one. This one has all kinds of sentiments like peace, cozy, friends, fireplace, snow, boots, let it snow in winter. Just a lot of sentiments on that. Great background piece. We have some holiday wreaths with wood grain background, blue stripes, and more snowflakes. We are almost finished here, guys. More plaid that we have going on, and we are finished with the green polka dots and the Mintons again. So you get a lot with this paper pad. This is a great paper pad. It is called Let It Snow. I got this off a Simon Says stamp, and it's from Carta Bella. Alrighty, that finishes up my little haul. Like I said, it wasn't quite a lot, but it is things that I'm going to be using here in the next day or two, so I will be having videos coming out with these beautiful stamp sets. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Please come back for my next video. I look forward to seeing you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd love for you to join the family. Alrighty, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.